In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up the Dmax all-black ink system with a Canon Pixma Pro-100. First, set up your new printer using the stock Canon ink. Then print a test page from the Canon printer driver to confirm the printer is in proper working order. Now open the Dmax starter kit. Inside you will find 8 refillable ink cartridges, a pair of gloves, a syringe, 8 plugs, 8 gaskets, a blunt syringe needle, a syringe cap, a bottle of Dmax Dye Ink, as well as a bottle of Amaze-Ink liquid inkjet clog buster. Remove the yellow sticker on each cartridge, exposing the air hole. Assemble the syringe and needle by screwing the threaded needle into the syringe. For each cartridge, draw 11 milliliters of ink into the syringe. Then slowly and carefully inject the ink into the refillable cartridge through the larger ink injection hole. Fill slowly, giving the internal sponge time to absorb ink. When completed, plug the injection hole with one of the included L-shaped plugs. Repeat this process for all 8 cartridges. Now lift the printer lid, revealing the printhead and ink cartridges. You will have 10 minutes to complete the following steps before the printer returns the printhead to its docked position. Remove the Canon color ink cartridges. Install the included gaskets into the printhead as shown here. Now remove the refillable cartridges from their orange sleds and place them into their proper color-coordinated slots. Each tank will display a steady red light confirming acceptance. Close the lid of the printer. Properly store the stock Canon color ink tanks by placing them in the sleds the Dmax cartridges came with. Load a few sheets of letter-sized paper to print a nozzle check and ensure all tanks are printing properly. Run the AccuRip Ruby installer. Complete the setup wizard to build and test your AccuRip printer driver. Confirm the printer is clog-free. Click the gear icon to open the maintenance features in Ruby. Click Nozzle Check. A good nozzle check should look like this, with no gaps in the gray areas. If you see gaps, you may have a slight clog. Run a cleaning, then print another nozzle check to ensure the clog is removed. Load a single sheet of film into the printer. Click the yellow alert icon in the toolbar, or from the File menu, choose Droplet Weight Density Test Print. This will help you find your ideal droplet weight for all future prints. If you need assistance at any step of this process, please go to solutionsforscreenprinters.com, the Support menu, then click Submit a Support Ticket. A member of Freehand's fanatical support team will help you with professional speed. Freehand and you. Together, we got this.